So today guys, we're back on Roblox. We're actually playing Make the OB for free UGC. If you didn't know guys what is a UGC, that is an item that is so good that you may look like an artist.
So guys, please subscribe so we can face revealing. Guys, please subscribe so we can face revealing. Please.
Actually guys, that is my brother. His name is Robin. If you didn't know guys, Robin is my brother in the a month ago we are playing Green Bean Obin. He is in there too. Please watch that video before you watch this and subscribe. If you didn't know guys, what is the crunching noise? That is actually that is what we're eating right now. We're eating Doritos.
This hobby is easy, but if you get the harder level, it's gonna be a hard
Parkour course.
I can speak right now. So totally, I can't speak right now because my teeth hurt. Guha ako.
If you share me, I'm gonna be dead because you have a skill issue.
No. I don't have a skill issue because you are a furry.
And I'm not a furry.
It's so laggy.
So that is I just get disconnected to the Roblox game.
So guys, this is the So guys, this is the end of our video because this is so lovely. So please subscribe.